For years, Apple's iPad Pro lineup has been at the forefront of tablet technology, blurring the line between portable devices and full-fledged laptops. Every generation brings speculation, leaks, and high anticipation, and 2025 is no different. The buzz surrounding the iPad Pro M5 has already reached fever pitch, with reports and insider leaks pointing to what could be Apple's most powerful and versatile iPad yet. While official details remain under wraps until Apple's big reveal, the pieces of information already available paint a very clear picture of where the company is headed with this device. Traditionally, Apple unveils its iPad Pro updates in the fall, often tying them into broader hardware launch events. According to reliable sources, including industry analysts with a strong track record, the iPad Pro M5 is expected to make its debut in October 2025. This aligns perfectly with Apple's well-established release rhythm, allowing the new Pro models to hit shelves just in time for the holiday season. Some early unboxing and hands-on leaks of what appear to be pre-production units have surfaced online, suggesting the product has already reached late testing and mass production stages. If history is any guide, Apple will likely open pre-orders shortly after the launch event, with retail availability rolling out 1 to 2 weeks later. That timing would make it the centerpiece of Apple's lineup heading into the busiest shopping period of the year. The biggest question surrounding every iPad release, especially in the Pro line, is price. Apple's 2024 iPad Pro M4 models set a premium standard, starting at $999 for the 11-inch and $1,299 for the 12.9-inch versions. For the M5, analysts predict a slight upward adjustment. With the inclusion of the powerful new M5 chip and the possibility of camera and performance upgrades, it's reasonable to expect Apple could raise prices by $50 to $100 depending on configuration. At the same time, Apple is keenly aware of market competition, and keeping prices stable could help maintain the iPad Pro's strong positioning against rivals from Samsung, Microsoft, and Lenovo. External factors like tariffs, exchange rate fluctuations, and supply chain pressures could also influence final pricing, but regardless of where the numbers land, the iPad Pro M5 will firmly remain in the premium tier, appealing to professionals, creators, and tech enthusiasts willing to invest in the very best tablet experience available. In terms of design, don't expect Apple to reinvent the wheel. The major redesign already arrived in 2024, bringing thinner bodies, slimmer bezels, and the long-awaited OLED displays. These improvements were significant enough that Apple is likely to carry the same look and feel into 2025. That means customers can expect the same ultra-sleek chassis, minimalistic aesthetic, and to size options 11 inches and 12.9 inches with vibrant OLED panels delivering exceptional color accuracy, high contrast, and smoother visuals thanks to Promotion's 120 Hz refresh rate. Brightness levels are expected to remain at an impressive 1000 nits with HDR support, making the device equally suited for watching movies, editing photos, or professional-grade video production. What might change, however, is the front camera system. Rumors indicate Apple could introduce a dual front-facing setup. This would be a first for the iPad lineup, and the possibilities are intriguing. Enhanced Face ID recognition, more immersive ultra-wide video calls, and features designed for augmented reality could all stem from this addition. With Apple pushing our technology and creative applications more heavily, a stronger front camera array could make the iPad Pro M5 a particularly powerful tool for content creators, educators, and professionals working in fields like architecture, design, and broadcasting. The crown jewel of the new model, though, will undoubtedly be the M5 chip. Every new generation of Apple Silicon has delivered dramatic leaps in performance, and the M5 is expected to continue that trend. On the CPU side, faster speeds and more efficient cores will allow multitasking to feel seamless, whether it's running multiple creative apps at once, handling large spreadsheets, or powering through demanding academic research. The GPU improvements are even more noteworthy, with stronger graphics performance set to make the iPad Pro M5 a dream machine for professional video editors, 3D modelers, and gamers. With better rendering speeds, smoother animations, and greater realism in demanding apps, the M5 chip could position the iPad Pro not just as a tablet alternative but as a genuine competitor to high-performance laptops. Energy efficiency is also a major part of the equation. Apple has consistently used each new chip generation to squeeze more out of the same or smaller batteries, and reports suggest the M5 will be no different. Battery life on the new Pro models is projected to hit 10 to 12 hours even under intensive workloads, meaning students, professionals, and creatives will be able to get through a full day without worrying about charging. Improvements to the neural engine also mean faster machine learning and AI-driven processes, making everything from photo editing to voice recognition to augmented reality smoother and more capable. Cameras have long been a secondary feature of tablets, but Apple is continuing to push the boundaries here as well. The rumored dual-front cameras would enhance video calls and Face ID security, but the rear cameras may also get a refresh with improved sensors, better low-light performance, and faster autofocus. Combined with LiDAR scanning, these upgrades would open up advanced AR experiences. Imagine being able to overlay complex architectural models in real-world spaces, create immersive educational content, or produce live-stream content with cinematic quality straight from a tablet. It's all part of Apple's goal to position the iPad Pro as not only a consumption device, but a professional-grade creative tool. Storage and connectivity options are expected to remain wide-ranging, giving users plenty of flexibility. Likely storage tiers will range from 128 GB at the entry level up to a massive 2 TB for those who need it for video production or large creative projects. Connectivity will continue to impress, with Wi-Fi-only models as well as Wi-Fi plus 5 options for professionals who need seamless internet on the go. Thunderbolt and USB-C support will remain integral, enabling lightning-fast data transfers and the ability to connect to external displays, storage solutions, and professional peripherals. Bluetooth 5.3 or later will ensure smooth accessory support, from styluses to keyboards to headphones, further cementing the iPad Pro M5 as a versatile hub in any workflow. So, who should consider upgrading? The iPad Pro M5 seems poised to appeal to several groups. Creative professionals, video editors, graphic designers, animators, and 3D artists will benefit most from the power of the M5 chip and upgraded GPU. Students and academics may find the combination of portability, performance, and battery life ideal for note-taking, research, and projects. Business users, too, will appreciate Thunderbolt support and the ability to replace a laptop with a lighter, more flexible device. And gamers or entertainment enthusiasts will enjoy the smoother performance, OLED displays, and immersive AR features. Of course, Apple doesn't operate in a vacuum. The iPad Pro M5 will go head-to-head with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, expected to arrive with its own OLED display and stylus features. Microsoft's Surface Pro 11, designed as a hybrid laptop tablet aimed at professionals, and Lenovo's Tab Extreme, which will likely target creative users. Apple's advantage remains its seamless integration across the ecosystem and matched software optimization, and now the raw power of the M5 chip, which together could ensure that the iPad Pro continues to dominate the premium tablet market. As anticipation builds, it's clear the iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be one of Apple's most exciting releases in recent years. With the perfect blend of performance, design, and cutting-edge technology, it is set to appeal to everyone from professionals in need of a portable powerhouse to students who want a reliable study companion to tech enthusiasts eager to own the latest and greatest Apple Silicon device. While some details like the exact pricing and the final spec sheet remain under wraps, leaks and analyst reports all point to an October 2025 unveiling. If the rumors hold true, Apple will once again set a new benchmark for what a tablet can be, making the iPad Pro M5 not just a luxury device but a tool that redefines mobile productivity and creativity.